Hi, welcome back. It's a beautiful day, little cloudy and a little bit of raining, but still it is very beautiful. Today I'm going to show what are all the things that I'm taking with me for my motorcycle trip. Alright, these are all the things that I am planning to take with me for my motorcycle trip. It's a long trip, it's a multi-year trip around the world. I know this looks a lot of them. I don't know how much I would be able to take because I haven't tried to pack them in my panniers and other carry bags. But hopefully I can accommodate. It looks big, but a lot of them are lightweight, large items, especially the camping thing. So let me go through each category first. Each category, because it has like a multiple category: camping, cooking, my driving, my gadgets, and other item. So let me go through each category. All right, let's start with my camping and comfort category. So this is the camping cart. It's one of my favorite. I mean, with my age, I need to be comfortable while riding, plus I have to have a good rest. So this one is one of my favorite. It's like kind of 8-inch height, a single cart. It's not too heavy and it's very compact. This is my air mattress. This is a pillow. This is a camping chair. This is another camping chair. I don't know whether I'm going to take both of them. One of my friend gifted me. It's expandable and very comfortable. This is my hammock. It's compact but a little bit heavy, so I don't know whether I'll take it or not based on the lucky weight. I may leave it, but for now. This is a table, folding table, very lightweight. While cooking or working with the computer, this will be very handy. This is the main thing, my lightweight 2% tent with ground cover sheet, everything. This looks bulky, but this is my sleeping pad. It's self-inflatable. It looks big, but it's a very lightweight. I will definitely take it with me. Sleeping bag. This is another thermal cover in case if it is very cold, this emergency. So that's all in terms of my camping, tent and comfort. Among all these things, this is the bulky stuff. All these things will go into a bag on top of my back seat because I don't want to load my bike as a top heavy. So all the heavy stuff will go into my panniers at the bottom. These are all bulky, but it's a lightweight. All right, let's move on to my kitchen or cooking item. Not much. I have the standard kitchen set which has my bowl and all the stuffs which need a cooking. I have a couple of stove. This is the standard propane stove, and I have a small manual stove also in case if I end up with using a firewood. This is handy. This is like kind of in case if I'm using a firewood, this nice manual stove with the wind protector, and then a couple of other cooking vessels. So that's all about my cooking setup. So mainly like my camping, my cooking. Let's move on to other comforts and what I'm taking with me. So this is my bike cover, very lightweight. It's waterproof. It's I feel like it's must wherever I'm camping. It will be handy. And I'm taking a lot of like a scarf, mask, and extra glove, and few hooks with the locks, a thermometer, and this is lightweight, quick dry towels, my hydration bag, extra riding gloves, this is my long socks, riding socks. This is a wire mesh lock. It's basically I can cover my back seat and panniers with this wire mesh, and I can lock it in case if I'm going for a hiking or some park or going to a grocery. I don't have to worry about all the non-lockable items in my bag, so I can lock it. This is another safety like kind of riding, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to take it with me because I have a pretty good riding gear, so probably I may leave it, but I have collected. By the way, all these things I'm collecting for almost a couple of years now. This is a very long preparation. So based on my experience plus the things I learned from other riders through YouTube, everything. So I collected most of the things based on what suits for me. So these are all some small bags, like because all these things I have to put it into a small cubic bags which goes into my pannier. So this is all empty bags, and these are all the collections that I might need for other purpose, like for example a knife and a small tool which I may need it, but it's heavy. I have another knife which is kind of multi-purpose knife. I don't know, maybe I'm taking one of them based on my luggage weight. I may take one. I have the disc brake lock, but my bike has a lot of safety things, so I may not take it, but this is another thing that I have collected. This is a lot of GoPro accessories. So I collected a lot of GoPro mounting accessories because I have a few action camera on GoPro. This is another multi-purpose shovel or tool, but I'm not sure if I take this one. I may not take this because it's too many things, will be overloading. A handy flashlight, this is pretty powerful. Probably I will take this with me. This is a air pump, battery operated air pump. This is a must so that I don't need to worry about my air pressure on the bike. This is a travel adapter anchor which has a USB, and it works with both 110 and 230 volt wherever I go. I'm planning to take a battery bank with me, like 300 watt hour. It's a little heavy, but I can charge and I can connect all my gadgets and my computer and everything. So I'm taking this. I have a couple of lightweight tripod for my phone or GoPro or even my Canon camera. This is a lightweight foldable backpack in case if I need to go to a grocery store or going somewhere, I need to take few things into this. This is a backpack. I have a small tool set. This is basically for small your gadgets or computer, anything, not for the motorcycle, but other item in case if you need to repair it, open it. This is a tool set. I have collected some water filter because I'm planning to do more camping, like probably 60-40, that's my plan. So like 40% hotel, motel, and 60% camping. Either it is a campsite or wild camp. So I really wanted to prepare it for my cooking, a camping item, and the water filter. This is my trekking pole. I have two sets, but most likely I will take one with them. And this is my waist belt. For my age, I really wanted to be comfortable. I wanted to protect as much as possible because safety riding is at the most important. I'm not here to do any risky adventure or something. I will enjoy. It is going to be adventure, but it is a very, very calculative comfort thing. This is my cloth set. I mean, all the clothes that I'm taking with me. This is all my winter stuff, including a jacket and everything. My inners, my tees, all one more item. And this is another set of clothes. So that's it. This tree has all my clothes, and all this thing will go into this waterproof bag, and I am planning to put it on my back seat, this cloth, and then I put my camping stuff on top, and all these things will go into my 3 panniers. The last item I wanted to show is all my recording and gadgets that I am planning to take. Alright, these are all the gadgets and recording equipments that I am planning to take with me. I'll show you them. I have my mirrorless Canon camera I'm planning to take, and then a couple of GoPro. These are not the latest one, but this is what I was using so far for my recording. One will be going to my helmet, and other one I will be mounting with the bike. I have another action camera. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount it. And then my earbuds. I like music, so when I'm traveling, music is one of my very important things. So I have a Bose and a Sony earbuds, and then I have a DJI mic. This just bought it brand new. I haven't started using it, but I heard this pretty good, so I had to play around with this. I have a Mavic Air 2 drone. I'm not using heavily, but I have tried a couple of times. I'm planning to take with me for my bike trip. And then I have one DJI Pocket 2. I know there is a newer version, Pocket 3 just released. But this is what I have. I'm planning to take with me, and this is my camping light, and then I have a Bose the Bluetooth sunglass. I'm taking a language translator. This is an AI translator with the AI camera. I'm really impressed. This is very lightweight, very handy. It has almost 13 languages offline translation, plus 130 plus language and dialogue with the internet. And I tested. So far I'm really impressed, and so far I play around with multiple languages. I'm good. So this is going to be handy for all my language thing. And then this is my e-note. It's the books. A 13-inch Lumi 2. It's my e-book reader as well as my journaling and note. I like to read and I like to write. I have written several books, around 6 books. So of course during camping or hotel stay, I'll take our notes and journaling. So this is really good. And this is the laptop which I'm taking it's a Dell. It's a high-end laptop. Most likely it may not require for my travel because at the most what I would do like kind of browsing or video editing, but this is pretty powerful. I'm already using it and taking with me. That's it in terms of my gadgets and my recording equipments. But I have a small battery bank which I'm planning to take. In my next video, where I will be packing everything in a pannier. I will show in detail where it goes, where, how I'm packing. So I may need to do a couple of rehearsals and trial and error packing, because I need to make sure that all the panniers are balanced in weight, and it's like kind of packing is pretty critical. So I have to try a couple of times. Once I finalize my packing, I'll put another video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye.